What's happening, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing well. So today, this video is brought to you by my sponsor, Auxito. You guys seen, I'll put some videos up as we go along in the video, but I've done a lot of videos with regard to Auxito sponsoring the bulbs. They make really good bulbs. The headlights on my wife's 2019 Kia Sedona, those are Auxito. I even have them on my Ram. I think high beams and low beams. And now the brake lights on my wife's Sedona went out literally just the other day. And the bulb for the Sedona are a 2357. I don't know if you could see it right here. It's a 2357. The Auxito replacement is damn near just as tall, and it's an 1157 bulb. It's an 1157 bulb, and it actually meets and or exceeds, it's the same size as the 2357. And the LED chipsets in there are like orange to red. So it's gonna be a super bright red light once I hit the brake, if you get what I'm saying. This is a replacement that I bought for the time being because obviously I'm not gonna let her drive around with an old, like a burnt out bulb. But I just wanted to show you guys the process in changing these, and it's actually pretty damn easy. Okay, so the first thing that you're gonna need is a flathead screwdriver or a pry tool. And you see there's some tabs in here. 1, 2. Insert the flathead or pry tool right in there and just pry like that. Hear that click? Okay, so once you hear that click, that's all it is. So in order to get to the Phillips head screws, you need a pry tool or a flathead screwdriver to take off that plastic trim first. Now obviously it's freaking dirty in here because what happens is when water leaks down, and if there's a lot of pollen, like pollen is falling now, it all bunches up in here and freaking messes everything up. So now once you get that done, obviously you saw that from the time lapse, that's 1, 2, and now after you take the second Phillips head screw out, you have to pull towards you because there's a piece that's inside of the jacket. This piece right here, this piece right here, and this piece right here, they go in these recessions right in here to keep the lights aligned properly. Okay, so now once you do that, get the screws, put the screws on the side, don't lose them. Just wiggle a little bit and pull forward. There we go. And that's it. And it's the top one right here. That is the bad boy for the brake light. And then you just turn it counterclockwise. Here, click. And just pull it up. And there you go. Take the bulb out. All you gotta do is just press it. Notice it has like a little spring action. You press, turn counterclockwise, and it comes out. Pretty simple. All right, guys, this is the turn signal you see flashing. I actually have the hazards on. Oddly enough, this is the old turn signal bulb right here. Oddly enough, it's literally the same size bulb. So I'm replacing the turn signal bulbs with the new ones. This is a new one right here. So pretty much this was the brake light I had. This bulb right here was the brake light here that I bought from AutoZone. I'm just taking it out, putting it in here, and I'm gonna put the new Auxito bulb in the brake light. And as I told you before, it's pretty simple. All you gotta do is you press down. Hold on 1 second. Press down, turn, and it's in place. That's it. And obviously you can have somebody step on the brake for you, but I'll show you that it works. Hold on a second. And there you go. All right guys, just to recap, and I cleaned this stuff down. Just to recap, I used obviously the new Auxito brake lights, that's in, and the turn signals were the bulbs that I got from AutoZone just a week ago, because obviously I couldn't wait for Auxito to send me their bulbs and have a run without a brake light, obviously. So pretty much these old bulbs in here, these are the old turn signal bulbs, and these bulbs have been here probably, if looking at them, you probably can't see them. They have a slightly dark tinge to them. So those bulbs didn't have much longer life than you would think, because those are probably the original bulbs. Since this, you know, I mean, so the bulbs are at least 4 years old, you know what I mean? Now the thing is, obviously, brake lights burn out faster because you use your brake lights more than your turn signals. That's just common sense. Now, so pretty much as I said, I got new brake lights in there, and the bulbs I bought from AutoZone the other day, I swapped the turn signal also those. So pretty much the back is, all the bulbs are new in the back. Turn signals, brake wise lights, and I'll reach out to Auxito to send me some turn signals for a future date. Once you put everything back together, you screw it in. This goes back in the same way you take him out. You push it in until you hear the clicks, and that's it. Simple. Here's the other one. It's in. It's actually pretty simple, guys. Very, very simple process. Put it in just like that. And that's it. That's it. So guys, you know what to do. Definitely like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think. And guys, I know it's daytime. Please take my word for it. The Auxito brake light bulbs are a lot brighter than the stuff that you buy at the store. Just to put that out there. All right, guys, thanks a lot for hanging out with me today. And I will talk to you guys soon. Take it easy.